In our last video, we learned what Starfish is, where to find it, how to log in, how to use My Success Network, and how to set up a profile. In this video, we're going to learn a little bit about Kudos and flags, the dashboard, and the messages screen. One of the cool features of Starfish is what we call tracking items. These can be positive items like Kudos, where people you work with are messaging you to tell you you've done a good job. Or they could be flags, which can be areas of concern, reminders, or just things you need to do. Either way, you can see a summary of all of the tracking items that are currently active for you by going to your dashboard. To find that, you're going to go to the drop-down menu here and click Dashboard. You can see in the upper right-hand corner some recent Kudos that have been sent to you, and also the total number of Kudos you've received. These Kudos could be things like someone you work with saying they've heard good things about you, or someone recommending you to a cool opportunity, in this case, telling you that you'd make a great writing center tutor. You can also see flags that are currently active on this page. These could be flags raised by somebody else, like maybe an instructor noticed you were having some trouble in lecture and wanted to let you know that you could come to their office hours for more explanation. These could be flags raised automatically by the system telling you you need to do something, like maybe you need to see the cashier before registering for classes. These could even be flags that you've raised on yourself through the Raise Your Hand feature, telling one of the student services that you have questions. We'll explore the Raise Your Hand feature more in our next video. Now the dashboard will show you a summary of all the tracking items that are currently open for you, but it won't always give you the full messages that people are sending. When a Kudo or a flag is raised, Starfish will send a message to the email address or cell phone number that you've chosen to have it communicate with, as well as to your Everett CC email. However, especially if you've chosen to have Starfish text you notifications, that won't always include the full message. So to see that message, you're going to go to the messages screen. To find that, you'll go back to the drop-down menu and click Messages. On this screen, you can see all of the different kinds of messages that people might send you through Starfish, whether those are related to tracking items, or appointments, or just general messages. All kinds of things will appear on this screen. To see the full text of one of these messages, you're going to hover over the symbol next to it to see what kind of a thing it is, and you can click on it to read the full notes, find out what it was about, and how to get back to the person who left that message. It's as simple as that. You can use your dashboard to see a summary, and messages to see details of all of the communications Starfish is sending to you. In our next video, we'll explore the Raise Your Hand feature and learn how to send student services questions from one central platform in Starfish.